This product right here, it's great for places that stay consistently wet, like the shower or the bathtub. The SlipDoctors Bathtub and Shower Kit is not a coating that can wear off, but a treatment that creates microscopic treads on the surface of your bathtub or your tiled shower. This product can only be used on unsealed ceramic, porcelain tiles, or an enamel surface. Let's get to work. Before using the product, you have to thoroughly clean your bathtub or your shower. Rinse your tub and then dry with a towel. Now that the tub is clean, rinsed, and dried, let's see how slippery it is. Step 1, pour the entire bottle onto the bottom of the tub. I could do that. Step 2, take the scrub pad and spread it all over the surface for about 4 to 8 minutes. Do not allow the solution to dry on the surface. Make sure to rinse the tub thoroughly. The best part is, no more rubber mats that eventually slip too. In the end, it's just supposed to make it safer and less slippery for you.